goes to camp, Otto is going to camp for the first time. He is excited. He is excited, but he is also worried about a missing home. I know, say Otto. Says Otto, I'll bring all my favorite things with me, then camp will be just like home. So Otto brings his blanket, his bone, his stick, and a cherry pie. Silly Otto. Otto arrived at camp with all of his things. The first day everybody goes fishing, but Otto does not catch anything. Silly Otto, says the fish. Other campers' fish don't like bones. That night they roast marshmallows, but Otto keeps burning your stick. He's too short, says the other camper. Silly Otto. When it's time for bed, Otto lies on his blanket. You're supposed be in a sleeping bag, says the other campers. But when Otto goes into his sleeping bag, he gets stuck. Silly Otto. Maybe tomorrow will be better. He thinks. Finally, Otto falls asleep under the stars. The next day, the campers go on a hike. Otto packs his blanket, his bone, his stick, and his cherry pie. Silly Otto. Suddenly, the campers run into a bear. Eek! They all yell, but Otto is scared. He like bear. Eek, eek, eek. Hello, bear, says Otto. How are you? I'm hungry, says the bear. Otto takes his cherry pie out of the backpack. Would you like some? He asks. Yum, says the bear. Cherry pie is my favorite. Smart Otto, says the campers. Otto spreads out his blanket, and they all have a picnic. I can't wait to come back next year, says Otto. Always bring your favorite toy with you wherever you go, so you won't feel lonely. Love, Otto and Todd.